Hello everyone. Our today's topic is delegation of authority from the chapter Organizing. Delegation means transfer of authority to the subordinates by a manager. And meaning of delegation of authority means granting the authority to subordinates to operate within prescribed limits, or you can say assigning work to others and giving them authority to do it. So, this is the meaning of delegation and delegation of authority. Students, as you know, in every organization, managers are assigned lot of work and manager alone cannot perform all the work. He divides the work among different individuals working under him according to their qualification and capabilities and get the work done from them. The manager begins with sharing of his responsibilities with his subordinates. He deliberately passes some of his responsibilities to his subordinates. After passing the responsibilities, the manager also shares some of his authorities, that is, power to make decisions with his subordinates, so that the responsibilities can be carried on properly. To make sure that his subordinates perform all the work effectively and efficiently in the expected manner, the manager creates accountability, and this whole process is known as delegation. So, delegation can be defined a process of entrusting responsibility and authority to the subordinates and creating accountability on those employees who are entrusted responsibility and authority. In simple words, you can say delegation refers to downward transfer of authority from superior to subordinates. And no delegation leads to delays in decision making. There are three elements of delegation. First is delegation of authority, delegation of responsibility, and delegation of accountability. According to Louis Allen, delegation is the entrustment of responsibility and authority to another and the creation of accountability for performance. First element of delegation is authority. Authority means power to take decision. It is the right to initiate, command and issue orders to carry on the responsibilities. Every employee needs to have some authority. Authority can be delegated. So when managers passing some their responsibilities to the subordinates, they should also pass some of the authorities too. Authority flow from top to bottom, that is superior to the subordinate. There are some features of delegation of authority. First feature is authority can be assigned to some other persons. Second feature can be it is related to the post. One more feature of delegation of authority is it makes implementation of decisions possible. And authority is the key to a managerial job because a post without authority cannot be a managerial post. Second element of delegation is responsibility. Means obligation to perform the duties assigned. Responsibility is the obligation of a subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty. It arises from a superior to subordinate relationship because the subordinate is bound to perform the duty assigned to him by his superior. Thus, responsibility flows upwards. There must be parity with authority and responsibility. If authority granted is more than responsibility, it may lead to misuse of authority. And if responsibility assigned is more than authority, it may make a person ineffective. There are some features of responsibility. Responsibility can be assigned to some other person, and the essence of responsibility is to be dutiful. One more feature is it gets obtained because of superior subordinate relationship. There are two meanings of responsibility. The word responsibility can be used in two ways. First is responsibility for, and second is responsibility to. Responsibility for means obligation of a subordinate to complete the assigned job. And responsibility to means accountability of a subordinate for his work performance in relation to the authority given to him. So, this is the meaning of delegation of responsibility. Third element of delegation is accountability or answerability. Accountability for the final outcome of the assigned work. Accountability implies being answerable for the final outcome. Once authority has been delegated and responsibility accepted, one cannot deny accountability. Accountability flows upwards, that is, a subordinate will be accountable to a superior for satisfactory performance of work. It is generally enforced through regular feedback on the extent of work accomplished. The subordinate will be expected to explain the consequences of his actions or omissions. Accountability cannot be delegated. This is very important point, that accountability cannot be delegated. Accountability flows upward from subordinate to superior. So these are the elements of delegation. There is a comparison of elements of delegation. It may be stated that authority is delegated, responsibility is accepted, and accountability is imposed. Responsibility is derived from authority, while accountability is from responsibility. There is a comparative study of elements of delegation. First of all, on the basis of meaning, authority means right to command, and responsibility means obligation to perform, and accountability means answerability for outcomes. Second basis of comparison is delegation. Authority can be delegated, responsibility cannot be delegated, and accountability cannot be delegated. Third basis of comparison is comes from authority comes from formal position, responsibility comes from delegated authority, and accountability comes from responsibility. Flow of authority is downward, flow of responsibility upward, and flow of accountability is also upward side. So these are the elements of delegation. Next topic is importance of delegation. There are so many importance of delegation, but here we will discuss only 6 importance of delegation. First importance is effective management, employees development, motivation of employees, facilitates growth, managerial hierarchy, and better coordination. The first importance of delegation is effective management. In the delegation process, managers pass routine work to the subordinates so they are free to concentrate on other important matters. The main job of managers is to get the work done effectively, and by delegating the authorities and responsibilities, managers can get the work done effectively and efficiently from the subordinates. So, this is the importance of delegation. Second importance of delegation is employees development. As a result of delegation, employees get more opportunities to utilize their talents. It allows them to develop those skills which help them to perform complex tasks. Delegation help in making better future managers by giving them chance to use their skills, gain experience of work related to higher job position. Third importance of delegation is motivation to employees. In the delegation, when the manager is sharing his responsibility and authority with the subordinates, it motivates the subordinates as they develop the feeling of belongingness and trust which is shown to them by their superiors. Some employees can be motivated by such kind of non-financial incentives. One more importance of delegation, that is facilitates growth. In the process of delegation, when the managers are passing their responsibility and authority to the subordinates, they keep in mind the qualification and capabilities of all the subordinates. This leads to division of work and specialization, which is very important for organizational growth. Next feature is it is the base of managerial hierarchy. Delegation establishes superior subordinate relationship, which is the base for hierarchy of managers. The extent of power delegated to subordinates decides who will report to whom, and the power at each job position forms the managerial hierarchy. Delegation create a better coordination. In delegation, systematically responsibility and authorities divided and employees are made answerable for non-completion of tasks. This systematic division of work gives clear picture of work to everyone and there is no duplication of work, clarity in duties assigned and reporting relationship brings effective coordination in the organization. So these are the importance of delegation. यहाँ पर एक recap ले लेते हैं. First is effective management, motivation of employees, employees development, delegation helping the expansion of business, delegation creates a better coordination, and delegation reduces the workload of the managers.